A work method statement for AAC, autoclave aerated concrete, block work outlines the procedures for safely and efficiently constructing walls using these lightweight concrete blocks. It typically includes details on material preparation, block laying techniques, jointing methods, and quality control measures. The statement ensures proper bonding, alignment, and curing, while also addressing safety precautions and adherence to project specifications. Key elements of an AAC block work method statement include 1. Material preparation, block selection, ensuring AAC blocks are sound, free from cracks, and have uniform dimensions. Mortar preparation, mixing mortar with the correct proportions of cement, sand, and water as per manufacturer recommendations. Surface preparation, preparing the concrete surface by cleaning, hacking, if necessary, and ensuring it is level and damp. Damp-proof cause, DPC. Ensuring proper installation of DPC on the ground floor to prevent moisture ingress. 2. Block laying, setting out, establishing accurate wall lines and reference points, benchmarks, DPC, to maintain proper layout. Laying the first course. Laying the first course with precision, using a string line and spirit level to ensure levelness and plumb. Subsequent courses. Laying subsequent courses, ensuring proper bond, example stretcher bond, and filling vertical joints with mortar. Joints. Maintaining consistent joint thickness, typically 3 to 5 mm, and ensuring vertical joints are fully filled with mortar. Openings. Providing openings for doors, windows, and other elements as per the architectural drawings. Curing. Applying water to the completed blockwork for curing, especially for cement-based mortars. 3. Connections and reinforcements. Bonding to existing structures, ensuring proper bonding between AAC block walls and other structural elements, columns, beams, slabs. Tying. Using steel ties or mortar to connect partition walls to main walls. Reinforcement. Incorporating reinforcement, example steel bars, XMET wire, as required by the design. 4. Quality control and safety. Regular inspections, conducting regular inspections to check for plumb, alignment, and other quality parameters. Safety precautions, ensuring workers wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, safety shoes, helmets, and safety glasses. Tool and equipment maintenance, ensuring all tools and equipment are in good working condition. Cutting blocks, using appropriate tools, example block cutting machine, for cutting blocks. Avoiding cracks, taking necessary precautions to avoid cracks in the blockwork. Handling blocks, ensuring proper handling and storage of AAC blocks to prevent damage. 5. Specific considerations. Maximum daily height, limiting the height of blockwork laid per day to ensure stability and prevent collapse. Movement joints. Providing movement joints as needed to accommodate expansion and contraction. Bond beam lintel, incorporating bond beams or lintels above openings as required. Manufacturer recommendations, following the recommendations of the AAC block manufacturer.